G'day viewers, welcome back to another Campfire Traveller video. We're down here on the sunny Gold Coast, and as you can see from the flag behind me, I'm at Patriot Campers. Mrs. Campfire Traveller is not here today, she's up working, but I've slipped down to the Gold Coast to pick up our latest addition to our camp setup. It's a Patriot Camper X3 Gen 2 model, and we're going to pick that up and take it home this morning. So it's taken us a little while to work out what our next camp setup's going to be, but we think this might be it. So we'll give you a look at our new setup once we've got it home and got it set up, and show you all the bits and pieces. And we're very excited about it. We're very excited to get out and start using it, but today's just about picking it up and learning all the bits and pieces about it. So anyway, we'll take you on the ride. So out for now. G'day viewers, welcome back. Well, it's been a while, but as you probably have gathered from the start of the video, where I put a short clip saying I was picking up the new addition to our camp setup, we're out camping again, and this time we're at, where are we at?
Running Creek Campgrounds.
Running Creek Campgrounds.
Just out of Woodford.
Just outside of Woodford, north of Woodford. We've been here before, but it's nice and green and flat and sunny. We're just here for a single night because we're trying out, hold on, stay in shot, stay in shot. Oh, a new ute. Nah, it's the old ute. We're never going to get rid of the ute. A new camp setup.
I feel like my head is...
Yeah, it is. Hold on, I'll stop and I'll swing around and I'll give you a look. Okay, so that's our new camp setup. It is the Patriot X3. It's the Gen 2 model, which has been out for a little while now, so it's got all the central locking and other bits and pieces. So
took us a little while to put up because we've got no idea what we're doing.
Yeah, first time setting it up.
So we didn't film that. Sorry, Sonia. I know you want a good laugh, but
no, it was our first setup, and we were doing it from instructions that I took when I picked it up. But you'll see the ute over there. I've got the solar out charging the batteries, which are at 100%. We've got our little shower over there. We've got the Patriot there with the awning that we've put up. Mum's not happy with the ground covering. It's a bit tatty.
That's just a bit haphazard thrown in. That needs to be better.
So just a quick look around there.
That's a tripping hazard. You know I'm going to go face first.
Oh, jeez. Anyway, so the sink and the fridge there, that's sort of the kitchen, and the burner set up in there. And then inside here we've got the sort of sitting and sleeping area, which is zipped up. I didn't sort of prepare for that real well. And you'll see the bed there. So we've got just got the diesel hot water system on at the moment. Just
there's a little table in there.
Yeah, there's a little table in there. We'll do a full walk around in detail once we work the hell out what we're doing, because we're still saying, well, what's that button? Where does that go? How does that work? And
oh my God, I've already tripped on our tripping hazard.
Oh, it's no tripping hazard.
The floor mat needs to be better.
Floor mat's fine. You just got to watch what you're doing.
Floor mat's tripping hazard.
Anyway, so we're here at the campground, so you'll see it there. Not a lot of people here, but that's fine. It's no school holidays, no long weekend. This is just a night.
Fine. We don't want a lot of people.
No, well, we're fine. We know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're just having a look around. More importantly, just trying out the setup, getting familiar with everything. We're going to try to do a number of sort of just weekends to get organised and work out what works and what doesn't work.
So we can learn what we're doing.
Let Mum tell me all the things that I've done wrong.
Well, we've already discovered the plates and the cups are in the wrong spot.
Plates and the cups are fine.
You've got to burn your hand to get to them.
Yes,
so
yes.
That's got to change.
Well, if you'd been involved in helping set it up, then it might be that you could have had some input at the time. But seeing as you did nothing and have just now arrived and are criticising, but anyway...
I'm the perfect person to work it out.
Anyway, so there it is, guys. You're going to see a lot more of it. We're going to see a lot more of it. We're going to see a lot more of the country in it. Getting ready for some serious travelling. And we'll take you along for the ride. So anyway, more to come, but that's where we are now. Okay, now for now.
How's it going? Hi, we're camping. Still got that tripping hazard. Ding, ding. Bonk, bonk. Oops, I'm on video. Excuse me. Excuse me. Who just tripped on the tripping hazard? Hey?
Come on.
Someone who told me to get over it. That wasn't a tripping hazard. Just did a kamikaze trip.
Okay.
Over and out.
Okay, viewers, we're at camp. We're just trying our first shower setup on our new hot water system. So if we come over here,
I think not.
hey,
I think not.
this is how we get our views. Hey,
Shut it off.
bit of clickbait.
Shut it off.
I'm just telling the viewers
You don't
about
want to turn people off.
the shower. Okay, so we're going to give this a go. So we've had the hot water on boost for about 20-25 minutes under instruction, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, big smile.
I'm not unchanging yet.
How you going, viewers? Quick update on test 1 of our new setup. So the camp shower worked well. There's some photos I'll be uploading to a private site later on. Hey,
He did give me a heart attack because he
Hey.
did come and I thought he was bloody filming.
Code word, nudie mummy.
Oh, not in your life. We don't want to scare the viewers.
Yeah, scare the viewers. Yeah, so we're just doing a quick cook. So we've got our barbecue. So that's our old barbecue, the one we've had before, but it's on a new swing arm that goes at the front of the, front of the Patriot there, like that. And yeah, we're cooking up. So I'll just show you quickly what we're doing. So quick little mini roast tonight. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll do a campfire later on as well, and get into the night. All we've got to do is find where the light switches are. Okay, out for now.
How's it going? So we found the light switch.
Yeah, found the light switch.
We found a couple of light switches, and that tripping hazard is still there. Careful where you walk.
Not tripping hazard.
It is a tripping hazard. We've proven it many times.
It's fine.
And we've got our campfire all happening. Dinner's being cooked.
Yep.
Got the beanie on. It's a bit chilly.
Yeah, a bit chilly.
Mm.
That's why we've got the fire going.
It's only 5:30 and it feels like it's about 8 o'clock.
Oh, 5:40.
Okay, we're going to enjoy the fire.
Out for now.
We've got some high-tech cooking happening here. We decided just to use the ground instead of the table. Works a treat. Hey? Oh, yum. Smells good.
Why don't you go get a plate? Plates.
Is this lamb?
Yep.
Yeah. So what's for dinner tonight?
Got some mashed tate, some veggies, and some lamb.
Tastes delicious too.
Mm.
All by firelight.
Yep. And headlight.
And headlight. Out for now.
G'day viewers. Well, we're all packed up. Nowhere near as onerous as previous pack-ups. A lot better, given it was our first. But
Actually quite good for our first.
Yeah, it was pretty good for our first.
Oh, well, second really. They packed it up after the wet, but first time using it.
Yeah. I'm not counting the backyard. But anyway,
pack up.
you can see it there in the background. So that's her
Nice
behind the
and
ute.
compact.
Yeah, nice and compact. So that's our first overnighter. So initial impressions, yeah, very impressed.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, we're still working it out. We're still
Still
working
wondering
it out.
if we're a bit spoiled now, even though we're camping and we have a sink.
Oh yeah, apparently a sink is not camping anymore.
Well, is it?
Put your comments below, viewers. Do you
But
think
it is
having
a sink outside. It is a sink
It's
outside.
a sink outside. It's a sink outside. So put your comments below, viewers, as to whether you think having a sink while you're camping is over the top. I'll leave that for you to decide, people.
Mind you, I'm not saying no, I enjoy
No,
it.
that's exactly right. But no, we were very impressed with our Patriot, so the X3 Gen 2. So there'll be plenty more camps coming up. In fact, there might even be another one next weekend.
Well, we're still learning. So
yeah, we're still learning. So not a big video. It's just to let you know, A, we've got it. And B, yeah, we're still coming to grips with it as well. But you'll come along on the journey with us. So
still got our book of order to put up and order to put down.
Yeah, we're still going through that fairly heavily each time. But that's fine. That's fine because we're learning. It's good to learn new things, and we're certainly doing that. So, anyway, thanks for joining us on our camp at, where were we again?
Running Creek Campground.
Running Creek Campground, just outside of Woodford, just north of
Woodford.
Brisbane. Nice and flat, nice and green, not too many people.
Well, that was Party Central last night.
There was Party Central last night, I tell you, even the dogs were involved. And there is water running in the creek, so it's true to its name.
The creek was really good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification button. We are at 65 subscribers. It's blown my mind how many people have jumped on board, but it'd be great to get a few more as well. So tell your family, tell your friends, spread the word. Out for now.
Bye.